today we have with us Devanshu. Devanshu, we want to know about your story and how you joined TISS, everything, what good happened and what good thing you are doing here. So before we go into the details, you have left IFT and a few other colleges as well to join TISS. तो नंबर वन क्वेश्चन कि अभी जो टेस्ट का प्रोसेस चल रहा है अभी क्या होने वाला, अभी लास्ट डेट भी आ गई है, सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ, व्हिच एग्जाम्स आर यू टेकिंग एंड व्हाट इज गोइंग टू द कंप्लीट प्रोसेस फॉर टेस्ट?
Right, sir. Sir, for this year, for the MA HRM and LR program, we are taking CAT and only CAT for this year. 95% weightage will be given to the CAT exam and 5% for gender diversity in the first process before we give out calls for PI. एक बार PI की कॉल चली जाएंगी, we have the online interviews. उसके बाद the final merit list is prepared. Final merit list में 70% weightage will be for the CAT final score, 20% will be for the online interview that went, and 10% for the graduation marks.
Correct. So TISS this year moved to the CAT exam. That's why the last date is now. Otherwise normally TISS used to be in March, April earlier. So आपको अभी अप्लाई करना होगा. You have to separately buy the form. So CAT's को accepted for 3 programs and for all the other programs CUT भी है अभी. तो ऐसा नहीं कि CUT बंद हो गया. CUT is there for the other program. But for the main HR program you have to apply through
CAT.
CAT.
Yes.
Right. So if I talk about where your journey, where you from, what is your background?
Right, sir. Sir, I have done my graduation from St. Xavier's College. I am a commerce graduate. And sir, I am from a very small town in Kolkata, from Kolkata. It's a hub for jute mills. It's a hub for industry. So growing up from there, I got really interested in industrial relations and HR in general. So growing up, getting a graduation in commerce, having those interests.
This is the best interview answer, by the way. Sorry for this thing. ठीक है, ऐसे एक story बनाओ. ठीक है, then you are always good on the no sorry that it is your case. But everyone should have this kind of a story. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
ये interview का answer है ना? I'm sorry.
Sir, दिल से निकलता है ये answer. So sir, given my background not from a cosmopolitan background, and given my interest into HR and trade relations and trade unions, growing up from that background really put myself through that कि हाँ मुझे HR ही करना है. I wanted to be around people, work towards people issues and all. And sir, there is no better place to be for HR than TISS Mumbai HRM and LR program. So that is my story. I graduated in 2023, gave it my all, and now I find myself here in TISS Mumbai.
So when we talk about the cutoffs, इस बार last year TISS था, उसकी cutoff अलग थी. They were cut around 60-65. Then he moved to CUET, cut off around 180 something.
Yeah, 275.
275.
Yes, sir.
And now CAT. So we don't know about anything about the cutoff. I asked them, मैंने अंदर से पूछने की कोशिश किया कुछ बता दे मुझे. उनको कुछ idea नहीं है because we are students. So obviously we don't know. But I have made some estimates. So I am going to show you a photo here. So these are the estimates according to me, a safe score. If your score is around this area, you can apply for TISS. And trust me, it's one of the top colleges in India. There is no question about that.
Right, sir.
So why HR? Not your answer, in general, because HR सुनते ही ना लोगों को लगता है कि HR मतलब रंगोली बनाएंगे या interviews लेंगे. So what kind of profiles are being offered in TISS?
Sir, I think when you look at our placement reports, when you look at the companies that come to campus, you will see a wide variety of companies. You will see legacy recruiters that have CHROs who are from TISS. You will see new age companies where TISS people are there. You will see consulting companies where TISS people are there. So I think when we come here, the best part about to find is here that the top companies in India always have someone from TISS there.
Yes, correct.
And it's something we're so proud about. Everywhere there is a TISS alum, everywhere we find people. And sir, apart from the HR question, I think there's one aspect that people keep forgetting about TISS, that is the field work that we have. We have 4 field works in 4 semesters. Field work is a period of 1 month where you get industry exposure in companies all around sectors. So our fieldwork is going on right now. Our seniors had their fieldwork last month. Sir, you have 4 companies, then you have summer internship, and then you have an NGO stint. So by the time you pass out from this college, you have a great offer at hand, and you will have 5 industry exposures with 1 NGO stint.
Summer internship अलग.
Summer internship अलग sir. 5 sir.
Summer internship kind of thing. Correct यार. तो I tell everyone that you should have at least 2 live assignments, kind of the corporate assignments during your MBA. If you're getting 5, तो obviously तुम्हारा exposure तो होने वाला है. So all these things add to TISS. And ROI की तो बात ही मत करो यार. Fees 2 lakhs.
Yes sir, 180 around.
180 fees.
Yeah.
And including hostel सब कुछ.
So hostel is excluding that, but it's very nominal. So because sir, it has a income criteria, so it's meant for the people who need it the most. So the criteria is also, the fees is also very nominal for the hostels as well.
Correct. वो तो है यार. That's the best part of it.
Yeah.
2 लाख का फीस एंड एवरेज पैकेज अराउंड 26. आई डोंट नो दैट लास्ट ईयर का एक्चुअल पैकेज, डू चेक दैट. सो अच्छा, और क्या चाहिए देयर से. सो आई कंसिडर FMS, JBIMS एंड देन TIS टू बी एट पार विद व्हेन कम टू ROI. और इसका रियलाइजेशन होगा जब तुम पास आउट करके व्हेन यू जॉइन द कंपनीज एंड यू हैव अ गाय फ्रॉम IIM नेक्स्ट टू यू हु इज पेइंग 50-60,000 पर मंथ एज EMI. तब तुम्हें लगा भी हम सस्ते में निकल गए. बहुत फ़ायदा हो गया. दैट्स वन ऑफ द मेन एडवांटेज. एंड कैंपस है यार, था ब्यूटीफुल कैंपस. आई लव कमिंग हियर. ग्रीन, मुंबई में इतना ग्रीन कैंपस कोई नहीं होगा.
Yes, and it does not feel like a B school campus because sir, we have like 50 different courses here. You interact with the people from all different walks of life, all different courses, all different specializations. So it is not just a B school. It's way more than a B school.
I was invited by a college. I don't want to name the college. They said sir we have a jungle in our campus. मुंबई में जंगल, और लिटरली 4 पेड़ लगाए हैं. एक सर्कल बना दिया, ये जंगल है हमारा, इसी को देख के हम एंजॉय करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे इतना बड़ा कैंपस होना है. दिस इज द ओल्ड कैंपस एंड न्यू कैंपस. दिस इज legacy campus. Don't say old campus. This is legacy campus. And then the new campus as well. So when we talk about joining TIS, so intro के time पे were there any kind of questions which I should be prepared about? Any advice you like to give to students?
Right, sir. Sir, I think one important aspect of TISS has always been that it does not matter once you made it through the initial call criteria. It does not matter you were the AIR 1 or you just made it through. For example, sir, my own story, you'll see that I was not one of the top rankers of the CUET exam. In fact, I was very close to the cutoff. And yet I find myself in this campus. Sir, I think if you're straight with your own story and आपको पता है आपको क्या चाहिए लाइफ में, आपको पता है आप क्यों HR कर रहे हो, and if the interviewers who are always our professors, some of them are professors, some are visiting faculty, some are people from the industry.
Alumni as well.
Yes sir, alumni as well. They see through all of us. And if they find intent to join HRM, if they find intent and love for TIS, they will 100% join you here. So if you're straight with the story, with your motivations, with your love for this program and this place, I think you'll definitely make it through this program.
Correct. So you need to have a story. You
Yes,
need to have a link with HR.
Yes, sir.
Especially for an engineer who are not in touch with HR, who are only applying for TIS, you need to make a story. You need to make a strong story so that then you can convince them in the interview. Because that's the main thing they're checking.
Right,
तुम यहाँ
sir.
क्यों आना चाहते हो?
Right, and sir, just for that matter, we have a lot of science graduates, we have a lot of engineering
Yes,
graduates.
almost 50% of batch.
Yes, sir. So-
engineer हर जगह पाए जाते हैं, engineering छोड़ के
Yes,
हर
sir.
जगह पाए जाते हैं.
And so we have a very diverse batch as well. We have doctors, we have people from the social sector, we have people who could have gone to become PhD scholars, we have people from the Indian Army. So we have a lot of people from a lot of backgrounds here. So it's a very diverse cohort.
Correct. So my next question is, we were talking about that you were not the last but among the last people to join the campus. But your score was around 280
Yes, sir.
and 275 was the
Yeah.
cutoff. So and there are people below your score as well.
Yeah.
But if you give 75%, 80% weightage to the exam score and only 25% weightage for the interview skills,
Yeah.
so this means you have done very well in the interviews.
Yes, sir. So last time also, like this year, it was a very similar cutoff. So this year we have 70% for CAT score and 20% for interview. Sir, all I'll say is
70-20.
yes, sir, 70-20 and then 10 for graduation score.
For graduation
Yes,
score.
sir.
Academic record is added this year.
Yeah. So all I'll say is, sir, if the interviewers see that you are straight with your answers, they will ask you questions about your background, about the things you learned in your undergraduate, about extracurriculars that you have done in your college, about various different things. If you have WorkX, it will revolve around your WorkX. Sir, you have to be straight with what you did and why you did. If you have a gap year, defend it well. You have to have your motivations why you did it. And sir, even if you have a low score, which was right above the cutoff like me, you will make it through TIS HRM and LR program.
Please remember that if you are sitting at the interview table, everybody have an equal chance to cover.
Absolutely, sir.
No, so don't think that way कि score कम है तो मेरे chances कम है, या if you have a gap year तो नहीं हो पाएगा, this and that. So please work for that, आराम से हो जाएगा. So last date is coming. Link मैंने आपका वीडियो में डाल दिया. Please check out the link and do apply. All
Yes,
the
sir.
best, यार. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.